What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what the vibes is, period. Is it raining where y'all at? It's raining down here where I'm at. I'm in North Carolina. And it's like raining, like for real, for real. But anyways, guys, we got this Doja Cat reaction today. This was one of the videos that was requested in the comments. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this Doja Cat song. And it's called Doctor. And see what the vibes is and see what Doja Cat giving, period. I wonder why it's called Doctor. Is she gonna be talking about like botched bodies or something? Sick and loving, baby, you're mine. Oh.
It's the uniform, fantasy, big unicorn, feeling me, feeling you, head feeling warm, head break, headaches, and a Bentley, crack kills, take an Advil when the bed shakes, steady on it, ready with it, that's a heavy dose, so check up on it, baby, watch your body, check up on it, feeling hot, cold sweats, got the fever now, need a shot, need the cop, need to see the duck.
I like that Beyonce reference. Baby, watch it while you check up on it. I like that.
Put the P in the V.
Hey.
Wanna see, open up white, say all when I write, take off on the day, house calls in the night, get it to the kitty, see stars in the night, put the pussy in the ER in the night.
It's kind of weird because I never thought Doja Cat would be like. This is a little bit more calm down Doja Cat. I'm gonna say that. But I like it though. It's definitely one of those little bops, those little vibe songs where you can just chill, relax, and smoke, and enjoy the song. My temperature, it feels so hot. Sick and loving, baby, you're my doctor.
Sick and loving, baby, you're my doctor.
Hold on, guys. I need to fill my drink up because it's gone. That was a cute little song. It was more calm down Doja Cat than I've ever heard, to be honest with you. So it was a little different for me. But I think it was a cool little vibe song, honestly. I definitely can see like myself, like, you know, just vibing out like I'm doing now, listening to it. And just, you know, just chilling, really. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do. If you want to hear more content from Doja Cat, make sure you drop it down below in the comment section. And I will get to it, baby dolls. I will see you in my next video, period.